Welcome back to the Chill Nuts podcast. Today, we're talking about a topic that can make even the calmest person sweat a little: asking for a raise. But don't worry, this isn't about nerves, it's about strategy, preparation, and confidence. Grab your headphones, settle in, and let's go through a playbook for success.
Tip 1. Pick the right moment.
Timing is everything when asking for a raise. Ideally, look for moments when your contributions are fresh and visible. Like after completing a big project, receiving positive feedback, or during your annual review. Avoid catching your manager in stressful moments, like a deadline crunch or a chaotic Monday morning. The goal is to have a calm, focused conversation so they can give your request the attention it deserves. Planning the timing well shows respect for their schedule and signals that you're professional and considerate, which already starts the conversation on the right note. Tip 2. Do your homework. Preparation is key. Research the market value for your role, know industry salary ranges, and be ready to demonstrate how your contributions impact the team and the company. Numbers, results, and achievements speak louder than vague claims. Studies on negotiation, such as research summarized in Harvard Business Review, show that well-prepared employees who have concrete evidence of their accomplishments, metrics, or market data are more likely to succeed in salary discussions. Being able to quantify your contributions improves credibility and gives you real leverage in the conversation. Keep a list of wins, metrics, or milestones you've hit. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case will be. And the more confident you'll feel stepping into that discussion.
Tip 3. Keep it cool and confident.
When it comes to delivering your request, think professionalism first. Focus on your achievements, contributions, and growth rather than personal needs or financial pressures. A steady, positive tone communicates that you're invested in your role and serious about your career. Picture it like a mini presentation where you're the star. You're not there to beg or plead, you're there to showcase your value and discuss the next step in your journey. Confidence, not arrogance, is your best ally. Before your conversation, try a small exercise. Stand in front of the mirror for 30 seconds and state your key achievements out loud. Notice how your posture, tone, and presence shift as you repeat them. This little rehearsal primes you to deliver your points calmly and confidently when it counts. Also, practice phrasing your request in terms of future contributions. For example, based on my recent projects and results, I'd like to discuss how I can continue to grow in this role. Framing it this way keeps the conversation forward-looking and professional, rather than personal or defensive. Tip 4. Handle responses gracefully. Not every raise request will get an immediate yes, and that's okay. Listening carefully, asking clarifying questions, and understanding what next steps are expected shows maturity and professionalism. You might respond with something like, "Thank you for the feedback. Can you share what milestones or skills I should focus on to revisit this conversation in the future?" This keeps the dialogue constructive and positions you as proactive rather than discouraged. Even if the answer is delayed or conditional, you've planted a seed for future opportunities. Think of it as putting a note in a time capsule. Your request, paired with your actions, shows initiative over time. After the conversation, take a moment to jot down key takeaways or next steps. This small reflection not only organizes your thoughts, but also helps you approach future conversations with more clarity and confidence.
And that's it for today. A friendly playbook for asking for a raise with confidence and professionalism. Remember, it's all about timing, preparation, tone, and follow-up. Try these tips while letting the music guide you. Whatever mood you're in, put on the right lo-fi, settle in, and approach your next raise conversation with clarity, confidence, and calm. Hit subscribe so your go-to vibes are always ready. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back with more hacks and flow
in the next episode.